Welcome to Reiter Park. Having this beautiful space to enjoy in the heart of downtown historic Longwood has been such a game changer for my family and I. We spend a lot of time around this area, especially during my eldest softball season. It's a perfect space for me and other parents to take the little ones while our girls are practicing at Soldiers Creek Softball Complex, as well as a perfect space for our whole family to enjoy on the weekends. There's always some type of entertainment going on during the weekend. We have enjoyed musical performances and festivals at the large amphitheater here, and have even set up a fun picnic day for our family and friends to enjoy on the large event lot. Being highly accessible via the Sunrail station makes it the key destination of the district and city. Often we see people working out here all along the walking trail. All spaces are open air and designed to accommodate a variety of activities, group sizes, and offering something at all times of the year. We have friends who come and use the facility's tennis courts, and there are usually groups of people who are playing at the basketball court. When there isn't an event going on, people like to use the lawn space to play soccer and frisbee. The splash pad and the playground are Daniela's favorite parts about coming here. I would say what I enjoy most is a sunset stroll along the boardwalk of the park's small lake, or meditating at the mystic fountains of the Bamboo Serenity Garden. It's a great space for everyone to enjoy.